As the sun dips below the horizon, a timeless journey begins in one of the most extreme environments on Earth. This is the Danakil Depression in Ethiopia, home to the legendary camel caravans of the Afar people. Leaving the mirrored waters behind, the landscape shifts to a cracked, white desert. Here, thousands of camels and miners gather at a sprawling, ancient salt mine. For centuries, salt has been mined by hand, slab by slab, under a relentless sun. It is a grueling test of human endurance, where local miners carve out a living from the earth. Using simple, traditional tools, they meticulously shape the salt into uniform slabs. In unison, they drive heavy wooden poles beneath the crust, relying on collective strength to pry open the ground. Each slab is carefully freed, cut, and prepared for transport. Once packed onto the camels, the long journey to market begins, carrying the white gold of the Afar.